What's up? Working on them loading docks today. I jackhammered some concrete today. There, removed some damaged concrete. Cut a bunch of half-inch plate. I got to a stopping point about 4:30, and I said, well, I got them 14 1-inch holes to drill in that concrete, that big ass hammer drill. 1 1/8 inch holes, 8 inches deep. I'm gonna drill in the morning. I'm gonna quit at 4:30 because I'm at a stopping point. I'm gonna go back to the shop, give my arm a rest. Then Dalton called. Man, can you come over here and help me with something on this tank truck? Yeah, if you need me to. So that's where we're heading. We're heading to the brake shop. He sent me a picture. It looked like something on that cat motor busted off on the antifreeze system. Don't know if that's right or not, but that's what it looked like. This picture of something busted. We're gonna find out. That's what he's talking about. That's a threaded fitting, and the thread part is busted off in that sumbitch. It is in the water system. He wants to weld that onto it and back it out. I think it'll work.
I'm going to free the air.
Okay.
You turn this thing?
I tried.
That's what was in there that broke.
I tried loosening it. It didn't loosen. So.
The big idea is welding it to the right thing. We got to weld that rod to that fitting and not weld it to the damn motor. Threads are still good. There was a little bit of weld I had stuck to the top of that thing. I grinded on it. Where's that? Right here's what I grinded on it with. I said, take that.
It's open.
It's supposed to be like that. That's more gooder.
It shouldn't.
Well, that worked out good. It was in the cooling system. When I seen that picture he sent me before I got there, I was afraid it was a piece like a water neck where a hose went on and the neck had broke off. You know, it turns out like you seen there, it was a threaded fitting threaded in there, and the fitting broke off and the threads were broke off inside that piece. Dalton's idea to weld that rod on there, that was a good idea. And you know, there's two things that happen there when you do that, because not only was welding that piece on there providing something that we could get a hold of to back it out, but when you weld all the way around a ring like that, see, as soon as I stopped welding, I hit that with water, and when I was welding on it, the heat would expand that piece inside of there, and then you hit it with that water and it'll shrink it. A lot of times if there's rust and stuff in there getting stuff stuck, that'll bust it loose. But we got it out of there. Dalton was worried about dealing with that, and he really needs that tank truck, so that thing will be back on the road tomorrow, and that's good. That's it for that. Y'all have a good one.